So hello everybody, this is Ali Shaglapte and now we have selected a state, Jammu Kashmir, and now this part, our section, I'm going to give an introduction about our state, and all. So we have selected Jammu Kashmir, the Union Territory of India until October 1331. It is located in the northern subcontinent and the central plains of the Jammu Kashmir. And so let's take a look for Jammu Kashmir. It is the largest region in Kashmir which has been subjected with a dispute between Pakistan and China since a part have been taken by them. This is the Jammu Kashmir which is located in the southern continent at the center of the plain around Jammu Kashmir in the southern of China and east of Pakistan. And let's go back and see the states of Jammu Kashmir, the cities of Jammu Kashmir. Oh, we have gone too back. So let's coming nearer to Jammu Kashmir state. Jammu Kashmir has a geographical area of 1.1387 square kilometers. It has lies between the latitude and the longitude of north and east. So this was the pick of this geographical pick of Jammu Kashmir. Now let's take some of the districts of total Jammu Kashmir, and there are total 10 districts in Jammu, 10 in Kashmir, and 2 in Ladakh. Now Ladakh has been an area new formed due to the Article 370, in which it divided up our beautiful Jammu and Kashmir into Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. And it was a sensational news. So let's go for the geographical area in the square kilometers. As I said, it is 1.1387 kilometers square kilometers area. Now you can see the red shaded part of near the Jammu Kashmir. It is the state of Jammu Kashmir, which is currently not completely in India. And the second is the boundary claimed by the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. And third, the dotted line states that the administrative boundary of Jammu Kashmir. So let's see the population of the Jammu Kashmir. Not in this sequence, we are going to see in a similar way. So this is the population of Jammu Kashmir. We can see that here maximum population stays in Ladakh, and normally the less population stays in Jammu and Kashmir. Its total population is around 1.01 CR. Our population. This was the end. And now my friend and Bhavik will give some of the.
Yuzmag is a hill station in the western part of the valley of Kashmir. The Muslim community believes it to be the place where Jesus once lived. The landscape here is more beautiful than anything you will ever see. The top sightseeing here is Nilang Lake and Sage Shafil. Gulmarg has everything going for it: snow-dressed mountains, greenery lakes, and forest and different types of flowers. The most of the Gulmarg is best for skiing and destination in Asia, has the highest green golf course in the world as well as the highest cable car projects. Sonmarg means a meadow of gold, is one of the best tourist places in Jammu and Kashmir for sightseeing and adventures. Sightseeing adventures places are Gorsar Lake and Vaishambhar Lake. And the best things to do in Sonmarg is trekking, camping, and trout fishing. Srinagar is one of the most populated places in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir was one of the located and one of the historical sites is located on Srinagar. Srinagar has lakes, led Srinagar to be called the land of gardens and lakes. Amongst the other things that will surprise you, one is the floating vegetable market on Dal Lake. The best things to do in Srinagar is visit the floating vegetable market and take a Shinkara ride on the Dal Lake.
Kashmir is rich in many things, one of them being their cuisine and their tradition. The Kashmiri cuisine has rice as its staple food of Kashmiris and has been since the ancient times. Meat along with some vegetables and some rice has been very famous in the areas of Kashmir and Ladakh. The Kashmiri cuisine includes beverages like the noon chai or the sheer chai, and some of the dishes being like the Rogan Josh, and many more non-veg dishes. The Kashmiri Valley is also noted for its bakery tradition. The bakers sell various kinds of breads with golden brown crust tops with some sesame and poppy seeds. Some breads that are small, some are more rounded. Many bread pieces are also used as crumbs to dissolve in the soups and porridges, and some of them just being used to make different sweets and desserts. The Kashmiris are also known for their traditional dressing senses, one of them being Pehran. A Pehran is a traditional Kashmiri attire worn by both men and women. It resembles a long loose coat or a cloak, traditionally made from wool or tweed and worn together as protection from the winter. Both men and women wear it in very different attires. Men wear it more sophisticatedly and more subtly, only with less color options, and women wear it with more dyed colors with some head accessories.
So today our group talked about Jammu and Kashmir's rich culture and heritage and how it has helped India through its tourism. We also learned some important information about Jammu and Kashmir, such as its location, its size, its food, its culture, etc. I highly recommend my fellow classmates to visit there once.